Hey, hi guys. So today we are going to see this some of the cloud commands which you can use daily. And if you are going to start using the cloud recently, then these are going to be very useful for you. First of all, to start the cloud, you have to just write like cloud. Then if you want to check like if any command which is very useful for you, you can just type like a help by using the forward slash. And these are all the help you can directly use in the cloud with some of the shortcuts. Then like if you have done any task, like then you have to just give the prompt here to the cloud, like create html file and write hello. So Claude is going to write one html file for you, perfect, like this. Okay, I think that is done. It is already, it has created the hello.html file for you. Now you want to clear the context of what we have done. Like, so whenever you chat with the Claude in this particular window, Claude keeps everything in the memory, like what we have done, like what are the chat we have done, so what changes he has like Claude has made in the entire project. Those entire conversation get stored here. So if you use the and if that window becomes very big and if you want to like start a complete new session, then you have to just write like clear command. It will start from the beginning again. If you are starting any new project, I recommend you to like use init command. So what it will do, like it will create the cloud.md file like this for your project, which will have all the information related to your project, right? And now let's see how the clear command is working. So this is how like it will clear out the entire context. Now if you want to change the models, then you have to like you have all the options. You have to use like forward slash model command. You have this many like different models available for you. Then if you want to change some settings like configurations, then you have to just use forward slash config. Here you can change all the configurations related to like Claude. After that, if you really want to see like how much usage you have already used of your Claude plan, then you can use like a forward slash usage, and you can see like all the usage, all the windows, and when it is going to be resets for different models, as you can see here. Regarding like agents, so in the Claude you can create multiple agents also. So if you use forward slash agents, you can see all the agents which you have installed. So I use Next.js a lot like in my project development. So uh, forward slash agents, it's so use the agents which I have installed here. The agents, it's here, like you can see here also. I will in the next video I'm going to show you like how you can install the agents and everything, and which are the good websites to find out different agents for your Claude. Okay, and then if you want to reset, so everything like you want to resume, so it will resume the previous conversation. So if I click resume, then it will ask show you like which chat you want to resume. So these are the uh, different conversation I did with the Claude, so I can resume any of them again by using the resume command. So with that context, the Claude will start all the chat again. Okay, then it's like another command is like clear, we have seen bash, we have seen resume, we have seen another one is mcp. Yeah, so if you want to use any kind of mcps, then you have to just use a forward slash mcps, and here you can add any kind of mcps you want to use. I have added like a reps draw.io, so those kind of mcps I'm using here right now. Apart from that, you can also use like you can also use, okay, clear and resets are same now. So these are all the commands actually you can use into the Claude. Apart from that, if you want to stop the Claude completely, you can just click the double escape and it will get stop. Apart from that, you can directly use the resume command. So Claude resume, it will start from the last context only. Okay, now double escape and it will stop everything. Claude and continue. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and for the next cloud tips, please do subscribe and like my channel.